This video belongs to Relaxing End channel, so all credit goes to him. Hey guys, today we are going to make PS5 VR2 professional racing simulation setup. So let's unbox our new Logitech TrueForce Pro racing wheel first. And we also buy Logitech Pro floor panels for our setup. Now, let's unwrap and assemble our racing wheel setup. PlayStation VR2. If you want to watch unboxing of this PlayStation VR2, you can find that video on the channel. Go and watch if you like. Now, our setup is ready to go, and we are ready to play racing games on it. But before that, guys, the money this channel makes, we are going to donate, and help poor kids, so I just have a small request to you guys. Subscribe if you don't, and share this video with your family and friends. If you guys help me that much, so I can able to help them. Thank you so much. Gran Turismo 7. Wow, this is mind-blowing experience. Now this is feels like I am driving a real car on the track. I can't explain to you guys how realistic and amazing it feels. But one thing for sure, if anyone have this kind of setup in his room, he's going to enjoy so much just like I am right now. This Logitech G Pro racing wheel gives a very strong experience with his haptic and motorized racing wheel. You can feel the car and the road in a whole new way with TrueForce and direct drive technologies combined. Wow, this car sure looks so interesting. Great thing about this PlayStation VR2 is that you can check interior each car you're going to drive. Wreckfest. Now, time to crash and break some cars. WRC generation.
Three, two, one. Here we go. And caution, jump into right 4, tightens over crest, into jump, keep left 150. Oof. Right 5 over crest, keep into left 6 over crest 50. Caution, brake for left 2, big cut. Right 3, narrows, into left 3, into right 4, into left 3, narrows, into right 2 and right 3, cut.
I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.